Hey guys, so if you're worried about your Bosch oven and especially you're looking for a child lock or maybe it's already locked and you don't know how it happened and none of the buttons work anymore, I'm going to show you how to actually use the child lock on this oven. First of all, you need to turn it on. That would be obvious. And then we have all sort of the options, but we are looking just only on one button, this key, which is the actual child lock functionality. So if you press this and hold for 4 seconds, you will see on the screen the child lock is activated. And right now, your kids cannot do anything with the oven itself. It will always show that it is locked. And to unlock it, the only thing that you need to do is, again, press on this magical key button, hold it for the 4 seconds, and it's going to show child lock deactivated, and you again can use all of the modes. So hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click the like button and see you later. Bye bye.